guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're taking a look at the daily goodie box for October. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, so welcome back. So as we said, we're looking into the daily goodie box. This box was brought to me by Daily Goodie Box. Thank you guys for sharing that box with me. Daily Goodie Box is a free subscription. Sorry, not a subscription. This is a free box. Sorry. What we do on this channel is we unbox different subscriptions. We do reviews, we do hauls. That's kind of why I messed up my intro, but Daily Goodie Box is not a subscription. It's a totally free box. Daily Goodie Box, if you go to the dailygoodiebox.com site, you can register yourself to get a free Daily Goodie Box, and it has a ton of free items. They totally vary every month. I'll put the most recent Daily Goodie Box in the description box below so you guys can check that out, and you can check them out on Facebook. On Facebook, literally every day you guys can check out Daily Goodie Box's page, and they have a ton of ways for you guys to get a free Daily Goodie Box for yourself. So this is the October box is what we're sharing and taking a look at. So let's take a look to see what we got this month. So this is what it looks like here, and we will open this up together just to see. And what it says here, if you see that there, it says it's more than just free samples. Guys, usually every month we get like a free full-size product. So for me, this has definitely been worth it. And why am I having issues opening up the box this month? Okay, well, there you go, we got it. Okay, so we're gonna open this up together so you guys can see what it looks like inside. So every month we get like that blue tissue paper inside, and we will have it in the description box. We'll also put all the products that were featured in this box so you guys can take a look and see what those companies were about. And then they come all packaged nicely so you guys can see what we have. And you get a postcard so you guys can see that there for yourself. And what it says is you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Again, yes, full-size products totally free for no reason. What they want is these are companies that are not really huge brands, so they kind of want to get your feedback on how you think or what you thought about the products in the box. So that's the purpose of getting the free Daily Goodie Box. And it says remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything that was included. So that's what that is. So the first thing I'm looking at and pulling out is this is from a company called Green Goo Deodorant. This is apricot and lemongrass. This is a gel glide. This all natural aloe vera aluminum free. So you guys can see that there. And let's see if it says any other info on the back. It helps eliminate body odor. Calendula infused, petroleum free, aluminum free, and baking soda free. So that is what that looks like there. So this is like an all natural deodorant. I've never tried an all natural deodorant before. Last time I got something that was all natural, I kind of gave it to my daughter, so I haven't gotten a chance. Look at first product we pulled out, and it's totally full size. So definitely excited about that. And then the next item we have here is from RawRev. This is RawRev Glow, and this is a birthday cake, 13 grams of protein. This is a bar with raw superfood. So that is what that looks like there. So these are good. These are really good for like your lunchtime or like after lunch, in between lunch and before you leave for work. So you know how they have that like 2 to 3 o'clock, you're hungry again as if you didn't eat anything, but you did, but you're starving again. So next item here, so I'm definitely 13 grams of protein is a lot, so that is really good. Next item I have here is Essence of Vali. This is sleep, a bedtime ritual. So this is what that looks like. I will show you guys in a second. And it's giving you different descriptions and directions on how to use this. So this is gonna help you sleep. So if you have problems sleeping, this is definitely something that you'd want to take a look and try. I'm assuming that you'd probably put that on. Let's see, at bedtime, remove stopper and carefully tip vial to release a drop onto the corner of your pillowcase. So you're gonna drop this onto your pillowcase. I've never used anything like that before, so that's super cool. And then the next item I have here is, this is from Greenshield Organic. This is USDA organic, and this is laundry detergent. So there you go. We got laundry detergent. I've never gotten laundry detergent before, so this is organic lavender laundry detergent. So there you go. Definitely excited to try that, clean some clothes. And the next item we have here is from Real Chemistry. So you guys can see that there. And what is this here? This is an essential day cream. So let us see what this smells like. I'm always could use another cream. You guys know I love skincare. If you follow this channel, you guys definitely know. Oh, this is a cute bottle there. You guys see that there? And then let me see what it says here. Basically, it's day cream. So let us take a look and give it a smell and swatch. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which is good. Let me see, just to double swatch just in case. It does not have a scent, and it's not greasy. So just first go and try on. I would definitely love this. I like using day creams that are not thick and not greasy, because you know you don't want your face oily, especially if you have to put makeup on to go to work and stuff like that. That's super annoying. And then this is huge. So these are thermal socks. So these are heat holders. These are to keep your feet nice and toasty. So there you go, full-size product. Again, these are just to keep your feet warm. Let's see what it says. Heat holders original thermal socks are made with our unique UK patented long loop pile for maximum warmth, thickness, and comfort. So it just tells you different information. But if you've ever used thermal socks, I know when I lived in New York, we did. These are perfect, so I would definitely get use out of that. My feet are like the coldest thing out of my whole body, always, for no reason. And then the next item we have here is from Rise. This is Rise Nitro Brewing Company. This is classic Latte Nitro cold brew coffee, and this is organic also and gluten-free. And so you guys can take a look. I love coffee, so I will definitely try that. That reminds me of like that Starbucks cold coffee. Probably the same thing. I'll definitely put that in the fridge for later and tomorrow. And the last but not least, we have makeup eraser. This is for free, guys. Makeup eraser, basically, if you've ever used this, or you've never used this before, the purpose of makeup eraser is so that you can use a cloth. And if you've ever not, or if you're going to go out there and buy this, just one tip, make sure you wash it before you use it. The purpose of makeup eraser is so that rather than you use those makeup wipes to wipe off your makeup, you're going to use this one cloth, and it's usable. I forgot how many wipes they say that you can get. Let me see if this one says. This is a sample, so I'm not going to open it up because I actually have a makeup eraser. Maybe I will put this in a future giveaway, so definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss that first giveaway that we're going to do on the channel. It doesn't tell me, it just says it will last 3 to 5 years, so that's why I have one that I received in another subscription, so I'm not going to open this up. I will definitely put this in a future giveaway for you guys so you guys can try it. This is amazing. Just a tip, make sure you wash it. So let us do a recap, and they always give you like different coupons and more information on the products that you guys have, so I love that they do that, and I love that they put this in a paper clip just all together nice and neat. And sometimes those companies will give you like like offers inside. So yeah, see, so like the coffee has like a $25 coupon on their website, different things. And then the the cake bar has like buy one get one free. So I love that they always add coupons into the box. So again, let us do a recap and see what all was in here. So I'll start with the coffee. So we have that cold brew coffee, and then we have our heat socks. That's crazy because those are 2 full-size products. And then we have the all natural deodorant. We have that, and then we have the day cream. I don't put a lot of day cream, so this is a perfect size, especially if you're going traveling. That's perfect. And then we have that protein bar, which it's birthday cake, so I'm down with that. We have the makeup eraser, which this lasts forever. Then we have the laundry detergent. I do laundry every day. And then we have this capsule here to help you fall asleep. So what did you guys think of this month's daily goodie box? Are you excited? Not excited? Definitely make sure you check out their Facebook so that you guys can take a look and get a free daily goodie box. It's super simple, and thank you again for Daily Goodie Box for reaching out and sending that box out to me so I can share with you guys. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about these free products, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.